Welcome to the Coming Home Embodied Meditation. In this space, you will be guided into a relaxing and surrendered state. This meditation is done laying down, and it is a beautiful way to end your day. This is also a beautiful meditation if you at any point during your day feel overwhelmed, disconnected, unsafe, confused. This meditation will bring you back to a natural state of safety and anchor in your body. So I invite you now to find a place to lay down, making yourself as comfortable as possible and closing your eyes. Bringing your body to complete stillness. And as you allow your body to come to stillness, allowing also the mind to soften. And as you allowed the mind to soften, allowing every single layer of the body to soften, feeling the skin soften, feeling the muscles relax, feeling the bones grow heavier and melt down towards the earth, feeling the heart soften, the belly, the womb, relaxing any subtle squeezing in the body, and feeling as if everything is just melting down to the earth, allowing the earth to hold you, allowing the earth to wrap her arms around you and pull you down into her. You are safe. You are safe to let go. You are safe to surrender. Taking 3 nice deep breaths. And on the exhale, allowing your body to relax even one level deeper. Deep inhale through the nose, opening the mouth, exhale, relaxing, letting go, surrendering. Deep inhale through the nose, opening the mouth, exhaling. Deep inhale through the nose, and in your exhale, releasing any tension. Inhaling love and exhaling love. And then just continue to breathe deeply. With each inhale, creating more space in the body. Filling yourself with lightness and ease. And with each exhale, surrendering, letting go, and allowing yourself to be supported by the earth. And as you continue breathing slowly and deeply, you begin to bring your attention to an area in your body. It could be your pelvis, your toes, your neck. Whatever point you choose is perfect. And just starting to notice what sensations are alive there. Bringing all of your focus just to this point. Feeling any subtle buzzing, vibrations, pulsing. It could be a heat or a coldness. And whatever you can sense right now is perfect, even if it's very subtle. And seeing how much more you can narrow yourself, bringing all of your focus just to this point. And taking one nice deep breath, inhaling, expanding into whatever sensations are present for you. Opening the mouth, exhale. Wonderful. Maybe as you inhaled, you expand and open the ribs so that there's more spaciousness in your core. Maybe as you exhaled, you allow the core to drop even further down towards the earth, connecting your spine with the ground. And let's take 3 nice deep breaths together into the core. Deep inhale through the nose, expanding the core, creating more space. Opening the mouth, exhale. Dropping the core down towards the earth, softening, grounding, anchoring, inhaling, opening the mouth, exhale. Softening and allowing more sensations to activate and awaken in the core. And just continuing to breathe deeply into the core in your own rhythm. And as you continue breathing, imagining that this strong anchor is forming in your core. And with every exhale, this anchor travels from your core down into the earth, penetrating the crust of the earth and traveling down, down, down until it reaches the core of Gaia, creating this tether and this anchor between your core and the core of Gaia. Breathing in, expanding into your core, feeling the awakening of this anchor, exhaling, sending this anchor down from your body through the earth, penetrating through every layer of the earth and anchoring into the core of the earth. And then imagine that there is a light at the center, at the core of Gaia, that you connect to. And this light begins to move up, traveling from this cord that you have created, this connection from the center of the earth, traveling all the way up, going through all the layers of the earth, and it's reaching the core of your being. And this light then begins to spread all through your body, in all directions, reaching all places. And feeling a sensation perhaps of lightness, as you allow yourself to be fully supported and anchored into Gaia. Reminding yourself that you are safe. You are safe in your body. You are safe to feel. You are safe to awaken and activate all sensations. all emotions, all threads of energy that exist inside of all layers of your being. And continue breathing. And continue experiencing this love from the Mother, the Great Mother, as she holds you, as she nurtures you with her loving light. And as you continue feeling the strength and safety of this anchor from your core to the core of the earth, once again opening up your awareness to the rest of your being, of your body, allowing your attention to quickly tickle out from your core all the way back up to your fingertips and toes. And now feeling the whole body at once in all of its subtle vibrations and all of its tingles and all of its buzzing and all of its breath and openness and all of its softness and surrender. I'm feeling the spaciousness and the freedom of this body vessel as it continues to soften and open in safety and surrender. And coming into this place where you get to hold all of it, where you get to feel deeply grounded and safe, rooted to the earth, and you get to feel open and free and light. Continue breathing. You are the bridge. You are the bridge between the earth and the cosmos. You get to dance and undulate between these two worlds. You get to delight in the experience of feeling, expressing, dancing, running, singing. And you get to delight in the experience of coming back home, anchoring yourself to the earth, allowing yourself to be supported and held, and always feeling safe. You have full permission to come home to yourself, to come home to your safety, to allow the earth to open her arms and welcome you in as her child, to come home to your body and to the safety of your body, to allow yourself to open your arms and to welcome yourself back home into the loving embrace of your own being. You may stay in this place for as long as you desired, feeling home, feeling safe, feeling held, and feeling free. Welcome home.